So I'm going to go into examples, go into basics.
We dedicated Label 4 in MIT App Inventor, moisture sensor measurements, and now they are receiving on our
I'm a test and I'm ready for the drone competition.
I'm Nathan, sir. And I'm Blake, sir. And we're ready for the competition.
I'm David Shaneman, and I'm ready for the competition.
My name is Sarah Bransky, and I am so ready for this competition.
I'm Anna. I'm Libby. And we're ready for the competition. I'm Mayana. And I'm Nidia. And we're ready for the competition.